Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Message from first card today is I am affected only by my thoughts. Seek not to change the world, but choose to change your mind about the world. What you see reflects your thinking, and your thinking but reflects your choice of what you want to see. Let's see the second message now. Earth pulsing, pulse of the mother, slow down, time in nature. A mysterious pulse is woven through all of life. The planet itself has a rhythm. You can see it in the season and the tides. In our world of artificial lighting, long working hours, and modern conveniences, it is easy for us to feel stuck. It is time to reconnect with nature and surrender to the pulse of the earth. Earth pulsing is my favorite tool for surrendering to the rhythmic pulse of the mother and the entire universe. Today, many of us are disconnected from the land beneath us. Somewhere along the way, a severing happened. A moment when it became too painful to stay connected. We feel unsupported and as if we don't belong. We look to other people and the external world to fill the void of the connection, holding, and belonging once given to us by the Mother Earth. Taking, clutching, conquering, longing for others to receive us fully, as the Mother once did. Forgetting that she's still here, waiting for us to remember and activate that part of us that belongs to receive her embrace. When you consciously connect with the earth, a veil is lifted and she opens up and receives you more fully. You're able to drink from her sweet waters and release what no longer serves you. Stagnant energy falls away and you become connected to all the things on planet. So this is an activation card. Put your hands on the portal of your heart and whisper, I surrender to the pulse of the mother. May my heart beat in unison with her. Mother Earth is a celestial being, a sentient being. And she is very much there for us. We just need to connect with her. We've stopped connecting with her in all the concrete jungle and hustle bustle of life. We've forgotten to connect with nature. We've forgotten to sit with water, to feel the nature, to feel the air and water. And actually, if you sit by the side of flowing water, all your worry, anxiety and the stress will melt away. You connect with Mother Nature, Mother Earth, and she will take care of you. All the stagnant energy, the stale energy will fall away. So that's all for today. These are today's messages. Lots of love.